How do you make your kitchen with white cabinets, gray countertops, white subway tile, and stainless steel appliances stand out from your neighbors? Perhaps you're wondering if adding a pop of color to one or more of your appliances could do the trick. In this video, you'll learn the most popular finishes for appliances, as well as a few other techniques to make your kitchen unique. We'll also give you some tips on how to uniquely apply colors to your kitchen without falling into any trendy pitfalls. If you want an in-depth explanation for the best brands with color, scan or click here to get our free buying guide. Now, let's get started. So, what are the most popular colors right now? Well, we actually asked this question on YouTube, and here are the results. So, let's say stainless steel is unavailable. What color do you pick? Matte black ended up with 44%, gloss black with 12%, white with 38%, blue with 5%, and red and orange with 2%. This is interesting for us because white actually outsells black around here in New England, but that's probably because we're a bit more traditional. So here are some of the best alternatives to stainless steel in your kitchen. The number one is black, but not black stainless steel. Black stainless steel was once a popular finish a few years ago for those looking for a sleek and modern design. However, the oxide coating used to achieve the black color on top of the stainless steel is easily scratched, and to make matters worse, it's not covered under any warranty. As a result, many homeowners with these black stainless steel appliances will have to look at their scratched units until they replace them. Fortunately, there are more durable alternatives to black stainless steel that still offer a sophisticated look. Matte black and glossy black finishes have returned as popular options for those looking for black appliances. The Cafe collection offers a high-quality matte black finish with different handle options like copper, brass, black, and stainless steel. Another great option is Fisher-Paykel's black finish, which is available at a more affordable price. These finishes not only look great, but also are resistant to scratches and damage. Number two is white. Among brands that offer white finishes are Cafe Appliances, which is one of the best because they also offer the different handle options as well. The most popular is white with polished brass. Cafe doesn't break the bank like high-end brands such as Blue Star and La Cornue. Samsung, LG, and KitchenAid now also offer white again as well. If you're looking to stand out from the crowd, a custom color would be the best way to go. Custom colors are anything other than black, white, or stainless steel. On the ultra high end, and without question, La Cornue executes color better than anyone. Their ranges look like furniture and can be fully customized, with options ranging from the stovetop to the base colors and trim finishes. However, customization comes at a high price. La Cornue's customization options start at $30,000. But if you really love that La Cornue look, they do offer a less expensive line with their Cornue Fay option. For a pro-type oven with tons of choices, Blue Star is also a great choice. They offer over 1,000 colors and 10 trim options. Actually, over 75% of Blue Star and La Cornue ranges are ordered in a custom color here at Yale. For other options, Viking has 17 available colors, recently updated through a partnership with Sherwin-Williams. There are also several Italian brands like Bertazzoni, Ilve, Hallman, and Verona that offer a range of color options at a decent price. While I don't love their performance or reliability as much as some of the other brands, they still provide some good color options. Fisher-Paykel also offers red, black, and white. Cafe offers black, white, and green. We have this option in our showroom. Maybe you're wary of color, but still aren't in love with stainless steel. Then a great option would be to panel your appliances. You can place a cabinet front over your dishwasher, refrigerator, beverage center, or wine cooler. Your appliances will blend in with the rest of your cabinetry for a seamless and unique look. You may already know beverage and wine coolers have a glass panel in the front, but Sub-Zero, LG, and True also offer glass fronts on their refrigerators as well. Bonus points for True for offering a glass front along with a custom finish and hinge accent. However, glass front refrigerators are expensive. Prices typically start at $15,000 for a high-end model like a Sub-Zero or True. However, LG offers a glass front refrigerator option for significantly less, starting around $2,000. You can also add glass fairly inexpensively to a wine cooler or beverage center. Now, if you want to learn more about the most reliable appliance brands, including some brands that offer color, click here. And thanks for watching.